The first and the biggest science museum in Western Visayas has arrived. Science XPdition is now open in Iloilo City. Experience the most immersive science attraction in the region. Spanning 2,000 square meters of hands-on discovery. Over 40 interactive machines and high-tech exhibits await. All major branches of science, all in one roof, from chemistry to robotics, astronomy to biology. It's all here. Meet Dr. Albert Einstein, life-sized and legendary. Plus, Iloilo's biggest indoor ball pit. Perfect for school tours, family days, and curious minds. From Manila to Iloilo, now closer to home, making world-class science learning accessible to more Filipinos. Discover, explore, be inspired. Find us at 3rd floor at Festive Walk Mall, Iloilo City. The future of science is here, and it starts with you.